Severe weather is about to increase across the United States starting this week. Alrighty, so today, guys, we have got a level 3 out of 5 of severe weather for portions of South Dakota and Minnesota and Iowa. Then we've got a large light from northern North Dakota all the way down to all the way to South Carolina. And then Michigan. And then a large marginal expanded from Montana all the way to Maine. This is driven by a 30% hatched wind risk. So yeah, we need to watch that very closely. And then hail is 30%, not 30%, 15% hatched. So, sorry for that. Anyway, 15% hatched hail. And if we go towards tomorrow, we've got a large, slight risk from South Dakota all the way towards New York. This is driven by a 2% tornado risk across Iowa, Nebraska, and South Dakota. Wind is hatched as well. It's a 15% hatched wind, then 15% hatched hail. But I think mainly over here would just be a damaging wind event across New York, Pennsylvania, and New Jersey. And a little bit of Connecticut. Day 3, there is a slight from, right now, Connecticut, New Jersey, Delaware, Virginia, and Pennsylvania, Maryland. And so let's go to day 4. Maryland and Delaware and Virginia are both under another slight risk for day 4. So that'll be something to watch very closely. Here's the excessive rainfall for today. We've got a day 1 slight of excessive rainfall from Bismarck, North Dakota, down to Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Then we've got another slight of flash flooding from Sioux Falls, South Dakota, all the way towards Madison, Wisconsin. Day 3, a large marginal excessive rainfall from Minnesota to Kansas, all the way across Pennsylvania and Virginia. Day 4, it shrinks and goes from Iowa to near Massachusetts. And then on day 5, we have this from a little bit of Oklahoma all the way up into northern New York. And so, yeah, let's go check on the weather models. Alright, everyone, we've got the weather models now. So, yeah, look at this later today. We've got supercell firing up in South Dakota and North Dakota. Then it becomes a wind threat, mainly after midnight, across Iowa and South Dakota and Minnesota, and a little portion of Nebraska. And so, yeah, that's something to watch. And I'll see you guys in the next one. And peace.